How to set up AI for local service ads fast. Welcome to our quick guide on setting up AI for local service ads effectively. If you're looking to boost your local business presence effortlessly, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into the process. First, ensure you have a Google My Business profile set up correctly as it's crucial for local ads. Detail your services and verify your business location. Next, head to the Google Ads platform and select Local Service Ads from the campaign options. Start setting your budget. Remember, this will largely depend on your industry and competition level. Once your budget is in place, it's time to utilize AI effectively. Google's AI will automatically manage bids, prioritize your ads, and optimize for conversions based on user data. To enhance AI performance, input comprehensive business details like hours of operation and contact information. Then, focus on your service area settings. Define a geographic area where you wish to appear, ensuring it's small enough to be relevant, but large enough to attract significant interest. Customer reviews are pivotal for AI optimization. Encourage happy customers to leave positive reviews, as AI will leverage this data to improve ad visibility and make your business more attractive to potential clients. Your next step is to set up tracking. AI uses data to learn. Use Google Analytics to monitor ad performance. Keep an eye on metrics like click through rates and conversion rates to understand how well your ads perform. Regularly update your ads with any changes to services or specials. AI thrives on the most current information to keep your campaigns relevant and efficient. Always check and refine keyword lists. The right keywords ensure that your ads reach your desired audience quickly. Finally, testing is key. Experiment with different ad copies, service offerings, and areas to better understand what the AI responds to best.